My dear friends, breath ratio for breathing. Let me come closer to you. Now, here I have the original breath ratio. The original breath ratio is 1:4:2:4, where 1 represents inhalation, 4 represents retention, 2 represents exhalation, 4 again represents retention. If you inhale for 1 second, you want to hold the breath for 4 seconds. You want to exhale for 2 seconds. Here please observe, exhalation is more than inhalation and retention of the breath. Inhalation is called as Puraka. Exhalation is called as Reshaka. Retention is called as Kumbhaka. Friends, Kumbhaka means retaining the breath inside is called as Kumbhaka. Friends, Kumbhaka, in Kumbhaka ventilation happens where the exchange of gases takes place between blood and air. Ventilation, Kumbhaka. There are 3 types of Kumbhaka, my dear friends. Antar Kumbhaka, Bahya Kumbhaka and Kevala Kumbhaka. Antar Kumbhaka, you inhale and retain the breath inside, is called as Antar Kumbhaka. You exhale all the air outside and retain the breath, it is Bahya Kumbhaka and Kevala Kumbhaka. Friends, Geranda Samhita. Geranda Samhita speaks about Kumbhaka Yukta Pranayama. Now, how to retain the breath inside? How to perform Kumbhaka? In Geranda Samhita, Geranda says, you want to hold the breath till the tip of the nails and the root of the hairs sweat without going to any ratio. That is how the Geranda speaks. I repeat this, my dear friends. We want to perform Kumbhaka. We want to retain the breath till the tip of the nails and the root of the hairs sweat. That is how Geranda defines about Antar Kumbhaka, Bahya Kumbhaka and Kevala Kumbhaka. 1:4:2:4 is the actual breath ratio. Let us see to the modified breath ratio. Now everybody cannot follow this actual breath ratio. So the breath ratio is modified as 1:4:2. If we inhale for 1 second, we want to exhale for 2 seconds. Here please observe, exhalation is more than inhalation and we want to retain the breath for 4 seconds. Now this is the modified breath ratio. In this modified breath ratio, if I assign 2 seconds, it becomes 2 into 8 into 4. Now in the breath ratio, if I assign 3 seconds, the breath ratio becomes 6 into 6. The breath ratio becomes 3:12:6. In the breath ratio, if I assign 4 seconds, it becomes 4:16:8. It means that for 4 seconds if I inhale, I want to retain the breath for 16 seconds and exhale the breath for 8 seconds. Here, please observe that the exhalation is longer than inhalation. The process of inhalation is called as Puraka. The process of exhalation is called as Reshaka. Kumbhaka, the retention of the breath, where the ventilation happens and the exchange of gases takes place between the blood and air. Antara Kumbhaka, Bahya Kumbhaka and Kevala Kumbhaka. Thank you, my dear friends.